Hey everybody, it's Mike Payne, owner of No Pain Roofing, and this is part 2 on how to prep and install a gooseneck. So essentially nobody in the city is doing this right now, at least none that I know of, and it's very important. And this is why we keep getting icicles building up on the underside of the sheathing, because there's not a proper connection. So what I like to use is a lifetime tool vent. It's the best vent in the city. Comes with a 3-inch adapter in case you need it. So a lot of lines in the city will have 3-inch adapters. So a lot of guys, they just ram it up there. They don't care what what measurement it is. So what's great about this guy is actually going to fit inside this right here. So we're going to have a nice tight seal there, so we're not getting all that residual moisture blowing inside the attic. As well, of course, we have the prep that goes over top like this. And then we have, so we got to go over top. This is going to heat seal right down like that. And then any water that's going to build up around here, which it will, it's going to come down and go over top the shingles and drain to the eaves trough. So we're just going to go like this here. Slide it inside. So that's another big common mistake that people make, is that they'll put the adapter over top. So we want the water to run back down into the pipe where it can sit down in this little trough, and well insulated, of course, down there as well. So do a little connection like this. A nice tight fit now, just like that. Do a little push, and now that's how you do a gooseneck properly. This is why we do it the no pain way, the certainteed way. Cheap is short-term gain for long-term pain. And bye for now.